Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we will do question number 4 of exercise 12.2. It is a problem sum. Check the sum. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Try to understand the problem. What should be added to this expression? What should be added to this number or this expression to obtain this expression? By this statement, we can understand that what should be added to this to get this. That means this one is larger one. We have to add something to it to get this. That means what should we add to this number, this expression to get this? What we will do? We have to subtract. Actually, we have to subtract this expression from this expression. Again, what should be added to this expression to obtain this expression? 2x square plus 3xy. The expression this one must be smaller. According to this question, this expression is smaller and this expression is larger. We have to add something to this expression to get this one. So what you will do? You will subtract this expression from this. Now the solution is 2x square plus 3xy minus this expression you will write in the within a bracket x square plus xy plus y square. What should be added to this to get this? Now normal subtraction you know how to do. 2x square plus 3xy minus, now you have to change all the sign as minus is outside. X square plus minus minus xy plus minus minus y square. Now like terms you have to find out the like terms and arrange. 2x square minus x square plus 3xy. 2x square minus x square we have written. 3xy plus 3xy minus xy, and this one is extra minus y square. So according to the like terms, 2x square and x square are, these are two like terms. 3xy and xy, these two are like terms, and another one is extra. So you have to write it in this way. Now do the subtraction. What you can get? 2x square minus x square means only 1x square. Variables are same. Coefficients you have to subtract only. Here it was 1 and here it is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. Plus 3xy minus 1xy. 1xy plus 3xy minus 1xy means plus 2xy. Larger number sign will come, and minus y square. Therefore, you have to write as it is a problem sum, so you have to write the answer in statement form. What should be added to this to obtain this? Then you will write x square plus 2xy minus y square should be added. This is your answer. Come to the next question. Now this one is what should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10. What should be subtracted from this to get this? That means this one is some expression from where you have to subtract something to get this one. That means after subtracting some expression from here, you can get this. That means you have to subtract this from this. If we ask what should be subtracted from 10 to get 3, then what you will do? What should be subtracted from 10 to get 3? What you will do? you will actually subtract this and you will get your expected result. What should be subtract from 3 to get 10? What should be subtract from 10 to get 3? You will actually subtract these two. This is an example only, but it is an algebraic expression. You have to write this only instead of this number, these values. So what should be subtract from this? That means you have to write 2a plus 8b plus 10. This expression, what number you have to subtract? Minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 to get your result. Actually you have to subtract this expression from this. This is your solution. Now complete the solution. 2a plus 8b plus 10. Now sign outside the sign is minus, so every sign will be changed. Minus into minus plus 3a, minus into plus minus 7b, minus into plus minus 16. Now arrange them according to their like terms. 2a and 3a, 2a plus 3a like terms, and 8b minus 7b plus 8b minus 7b. Next one is plus 10 minus 16. Now 2a plus 3a, both are addition sign, both have addition sign and variables are same, so you have to add the coefficient only. 5a. Now 8b minus 7b, if you subtract different sign, you need to subtract and you will get only b, and as the sign is positive in front of the larger number, so you will have to give plus b, and plus 10 minus 16, so you will get minus 6. So what number should be subtracted from this? Then your answer will be 5a plus b minus 6 should be subtracted. I hope these two sums are easy for you. Try to understand the explanation and do this sum in your classwork copy. Thank you, students.